Alright, here we go. So we got now question 27, I think E it is. A box contains 33 scarves made from 2 different fabrics. There are 14 scarves made from silk and 19 made from wool. 2 girls each select at random a scarf to wear from the box. Copy and complete the tree diagram in your answer booklet. Alright, well let's read it again. So a box contains 33 scarves, right? Now there are 14 that are made from silk and 19 made from wool. Do you think if he, right down here, right, 14 out of 33, if I've already selected one scarf, am I going to have 14 scarves left in the next one?
No.
How many scarves do I have left?
32.
And then if I had 33 to begin with, how many do I have left now?
32.
Okay, perfect. And then there was 19 woolen ones, right? Did I pick any scarf? Did I pick any woolen ones in this case here?
No.
So how many woolen ones should still be left?
19.
19, and then out of how many scarves now? But you've already selected one. Out of?
33.
No, but you've already selected one.
32.
32. It has these all have to be in the same denominators. So let's see if we can do this now. This one should be, like I said, 13 out of 32 because you've already selected one, right? So there's 13 scarves left. This one should be, as we said, 19 out of 32.
32.
Make sense?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. We've picked a woolen one, right?
Yeah.
If now forget about this possibility now. You go, okay, what about if it was I picked woolen first, which was 19 wool ones compared to out of 33.
Then we'll be left with 18.
You're left with 18, but there's still 32 scarves left, right?
Yeah.
And then, sorry, there's still 32 altogether, woolen and silk ones left, right? Now the silk kind of cases, you haven't selected a silk one yet, so there should still be 14 silk scarves left out of, obviously,
32.
32. Is that easy?
Yeah.
That's it, you got yourself 2 marks.
That's easy.
That's easy. Calculate the probability that the 2 scarves selected are made from silk. So you want to calculate the probability that the 2 scarves selected are made from silk. Well, if it's made from silk, then that must have happened, right? And then that must have happened. True?
Yeah.
So then that's going to be, obviously, 14 out of 33 times 13 out of 32. And then you can just plug that into your calculator. 14 out of 33 times by 13 divided by 32. That gives us 0.17. Or you could have left it in fraction form. 91 over 528, but I'm not going to write that. So 0.17. Okay?
Yeah.
Calculate the probability that the 2 scarves selected are made from different fabrics. Right? They're to be made from different fabrics. Well, if they're to be made from different fabrics, then can you see it has to be SW and WS?
Oh, yes.
Right? Because if they're different fabrics, I mean, if they're the same fabrics, then you're going to get silk the first time and silk the second time. If they're the same fabrics, you're going to get wool the first time, wool the second time. But you want different fabrics. For different fabrics, it's 14 out of 33 times 19 out of 32. Right? Because silk and then wool. So times by 19 out of 32. That's if you had picked silk first. How do you know you picked silk first? You don't, right? It could have been wool first. You have to take account for that. So you write plus fat fingers. You're going to hear that in the radio. Okay, 19 out of 32. Now, what if you had picked wool first, like I said? Right? You got to take that into account. So it's going to be 19 out of 33. And you're going to get 19 out of 33. Okay, 19 out of 33 times by 19 out of 33 times by 14 out of 32 for the silk. Right?
Yeah.
Do you get that?
Yeah.
Wool, silk. Silk, silk, wool. Cool?
Yeah.
And then you just got to plug that into your calculator, like I said, and you get an answer again. So 14 out of 33 times 19 out of 32. It's 0.5. 0.5.